I would like to welcome a man, and without him, you would not see this plant. He has funded this company in a room which had maybe a similar size of this stage. And I really want to thank you, Tavi, for making this happen. So please welcome on stage with a very, very warm applause, Mr. Tavi Mariberg, CEO of Skeleton Technologies.
Usually it's said that factories are built through blood, sweat and tears. In our case, it was actually mud, sweat and tears, and that made the factory happen. You know, I came to Saxony already more than 12 years ago. And you know, when I came here, I thought Germany, it's the export Weltmeister. It's the best in the foreign markets. But you know what is the reality today? Germany is not that export Weltmeister anymore. We have literally lost a decade. We created a strategy where we said that our main aim is to catch up with US and China, and then do the exact same thing. Have the same technology, focus on our internal market and say we will have a lot of electric vehicles and it will be a great business. It's a losing strategy, because if you do the exact same thing as your competition, but you do it later and at smaller scale, how can you even expect to win? So in Europe, we need to have a different strategy, and we need to focus that our products are not only competitive in the European market, they need to be competitive on the global market and have the advantage. And what has Skeleton done? Firstly, we have combined software with the best of hardware. Not a single hardware product works without the best software. Secondly, we need to talk about raw materials. Skeleton's products use no cobalt, no lithium, no manganese. We rely on a purely European value chain made out of silicon carbide. But last but not least, we cannot forget that our products genuinely need to be better. And if you look at what Skeleton has done, our products outperform competition. We have focused on being in a niche and dominating that niche to have real competitive advantage. 8 years ago, we opened our first factory here, and you know, I gave a speech and said that, believe me, 8 years from now on, we will have a factory which is 10 times larger and a business which is 10 times greater. And you know, back in the day, I kind of believed it, but maybe not in full. I thought that, okay, I don't really know how to get there, but I have this vision. But based on what we have done here in Saxony, I am confident that if you look 8 years into the future, this factory will seem super small, because we need to invest hundreds of billions in terms of AI and hundreds of billions into grid stability, and we will do it with European technology. So this is only the first step. We have achieved our first 1%. If we want to win in Europe, we need to cooperate, we need to be ambitious, and we need to make now sure that we execute the rest of the 99%. So thank you very much, and let's get this factory going. Thank you.